Okay, here's my first meal. Just some scrambled eggs and not pictured here, coffee with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Okay, so this will be my midday snack, I guess. I'm going to have a serving of pork rinds with some guacamole, and I really wanted some shrimp. So I sauteed up a serving of shrimp and I poured about a tablespoon of Kerrygold over the top and just put on a little bit of salt and pepper. That's what I'm having midday. I'll check back in a little bit. Okay, this is my last meal of the day. It's almost 4:30, so being on a 16 hours off and 8 hours on fast, I will be eating about 8:30 in the morning, which shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to the gym and I probably won't eat till like 9:30 or 10 anyway. Blue cheese and bacon burger with broccoli, a little bit of Kerrygold butter on there and some salt. And that's it. Really simple.